Going on YouTube, day 2 of Minnesota's snowstorm. It is supposed to snow around, I think, like 2 o'clock. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Anyways, never moved my vehicle yesterday, so going out here to get my girlfriend's camera out of her car and contemplating should I attempt to dig out my car and get it on the road. Got some daddy duties, wipes and diapers and a few things for the house. Now, from yesterday snow, this is what my car looks like. And I call her Betsy, so I'm pretty sure, Betsy will bang this out no problem. But this is my girlfriend's car. Yeah, pretty awful. Anyways, no updates needed. I probably will move my car just because I got some shit to do, and or I probably won't. But shout out to Minnesota, man, for being Minnesota in fucking April. You get a Christmas of a spring. So anyways, like I said, I am from East Atlanta, Candler Road area, and pretty much, we don't get snow in Atlanta, nowhere near this. So it gets hot and humid, but much respect to Minnesota weather. I fucking love it. I'm not gonna complain. Until next time, peace.